In this video, I will show you how you can activate Sky Mobile SIM card. So first of all, start by opening up any browser that you are using, and then you just need to search for Sky Mobile SIM card activation, and then scroll down until you see your official Sky Mobile website and simply click on it. Now once you are on this particular page, you just need to make sure to make your Sky Mobile account. If you don't have, you can simply click on this sign in or sign up. Once you click there, you just need to provide your personal information, which is going to be your email address and password, and then make sure to create your Sky ID. Once you are done, it's now time to activate your SIM card. You need to simply select the option to activate your SIM. You can also set a spend cap if you want to control your usage. Otherwise, you just need to enter the activation code found in your SIM pack and then click on activate SIM card. Make sure to insert your SIM card into your device. You should receive a confirmation text once the activation is completed. You can also transfer your number if you want to. Otherwise, you will receive a text message confirming that your SIM card is activated and ready to use. So that's the way of how you can activate your Sky Mobile SIM card.